What is up, guys? Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. For today's video, you're gonna watch all the leaks about the new phones that might be coming out to Metro PCS. But before I start the video, I want to say something. This video that you're about to see was actually shot about a week ago. I never had the chance to edit it, so I didn't upload it. But the video was based off of rumors, speculations, and looking at previous year's releases that usually come out during this time. But thankfully, I have some good news for you guys. Some of the phones that I actually talked about in that video were confirmed by Metro PCS. So stay tuned towards the end of the video to know which ones are confirmed.
Hey guys, welcome to JGTechBlog. Today we are going to be talking about some leaked Metro PCS phones. But first I want to start off with a confirmed phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy J7. Now this phone is expected to be released on October 22nd, and we know that's a done deal, we know that's finalized. Now let's get started with the leaks. Now I have 3 to 4 phones that are expected to leak. Now this isn't official information. You know, you should take with a grain of salt because we're not fully sure of them yet, but based on our expectations, these are 4 potential phones that could be coming to Metro by T-Mobile. One of those is the Samsung Galaxy A6. This phone, as we mentioned in other videos, comes with the basic specs: 5.6 display, a 16 megapixel camera, which is front facing and back facing, and then we have our 3000 milliamp battery, Android 8.0, a 32 gigabyte memory storage with 3 gigabytes of RAM, and a 3.5 millimeter headset jack for those of you that use wired headphones, 1.6 octa-core processor, and this is supposed to be released with all of these phones actually, hopefully before Black Friday, Thanksgiving time, which is November 22nd. Now this phone goes for about $349. That's that for the Samsung Galaxy A6. Now the LG K30. The basic specs on this phone: we have the 5.3 display, we have our 13 megapixel rear facing camera with our 5 megapixel front facing camera, our 1.4 quad core processor. It runs on Android 7.1. For our third phone, hopefully supposed to replace the On 5 by Metro. This comes at a 5-inch display. It has an 8 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front facing camera at a 1.4 quad core processor running on Android 8.0. It has a 2600 milliamp battery, 16 gigabytes of storage with the option to expand, and it comes in around $79. Now the last one, guys, is the ZTE Blade X2. Now this phone was expected to be released maybe in February, but it has been delayed due to the US sanctions on ZTE. But there have been documents that say that they're opening up those negotiations, and for Metro PCS, they still have an open contract with the carrier. So it is possible that it could come in, although, you know, you should take that with a grain of salt. Now, ZTE Avid 4s are still in store, so there is definitely a possibility. So you can't negate any of those rumors. Now guys, it's possible that they could all fall through. Now, the LG K30 is on T-Mobile and Boost Mobile, so though there may be a possibility for it to come on Metro PCS.
Alright guys, so now that you guys have seen all the phones, the LG K30 and the Galaxy A6 are the 2 phones that have been confirmed to come out to Metro PCS. We still don't know the exact price or the release date. Make sure to be subscribed and hit that notification button to be notified when we upload that video, when we have more information. On this channel, as you guys already know, we keep you updated firsthand on all the new news and the new phones from Cricket, Boost Mobile, and Metro PCS. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.
Welcome to JGTechBlog. Today was a ding. Sound.
Will we find?
Yeah, but you might want to pause. Now, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for being with us on JGTechBlog, and we'll see you next time.